Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining us again, and today is a very exciting day. I'm here with my wife and we've got a very wonderful topic which is going to benefit your life today. All right?
Yes, and so today we're going to talk about a healthy lifestyle and what we used to eat in the morning, during lunch, just to help each other keep fit. Yes, we are preaching, yes, we are teaching, yes, we're motivating, but we also have to take care of our health. So the first thing that I'll talk about today is this is what we used to drink. This is for my husband.
My goodness.
And this is mine. Yes, we drink 4 liters of water every day. So this is 2 liters of water and this is 2 liters. So we drink twice. So every time we wake up in the morning, we drink a gallon of water. This will just help us cleanse our body, flush out every fat. So water is very healthy to help you lose weight. It helps with your skin. You just glow. It helps with a lot of things, Your body, they say water is life. Yes, indeed, water is life. So please, I urge you to drink water every day. Drink water. We bought this in Kmart. If you're in Australia, whatever, you can find this. It's very cheap and it's very worth it of buying. It's easy for you to finish it up than drinking in cups. Yeah, so water is life.
Yeah, water is life. Instead of drinking juice every time or cold drink or sweet stuff.
Yes.
So replace them by water because your body needs water to survive.
Yes.
So your kidney, your organs, they need water. Please drink water for good life.
Yeah, so the other thing that I'll demonstrate, this is actually what we drink every morning. So we make protein shakes. So this is Herbalife protein shake in the flavor vanilla. And we use skim milk. You can use soya milk or unsweetened almond milk. Yeah. So we put frozen fruits. You can use fresh fruits if you want, but we prefer frozen fruit because it makes the shake thick. So we've got bananas and strawberries. So it depends. Any type of fruits that you want, you can use. So I'll make shake for my husband today for breakfast. And then we're gonna drink together. Stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
So this is my process. I've just added a little bit of banana. So because this is for me and my husband. So these are frozen bananas. Don't mind about the color. They're just frozen. So then I'll put our protein shake inside. I'll just put
Say the protein shake in the banana.
I just put 3 of them. Okay, 4. It's enough. So that's enough. So I just use this scoop. I just put 4 scoops in our blender. So and then I just add some milk and eat. It's enough.
So today is my day.
So and then I'll just blend this. I think this is smooth enough. Yeah, it's enough for me and my husband. So then I just put this in the glass. Yum. Look at how thick this is. See, so if you replace this with your breakfast, it's very nice. To help you lose weight fast and eating, bacon and more fat during the breakfast. So this is good. You replace this with your breakfast. So that's what we use for our breakfast. So here you go. So this is our protein shake for morning. So it helps with muscles to lose weight quickly. It just, it has a lot of benefits.
Yeah, and protein shakes, it's very powerful, make you recovering, especially when you are tired. You make the protein shakes, blender it, and you quickly gain strength again and building up muscles. So when you're about to lose weight or you are planning to lose weight, instead of taking breakfast in the morning, we always have protein shakes because it makes you full. There's a lot of protein and fiber inside, so make you full instead of eating too much. So we have this in the morning and as well at lunchtime. We're gonna show you what to eat at lunchtime.
Yeah, so I just had a baby about 3 months ago. I was so big. So this is my 6 weeks of losing weight. I was weighing 89 kgs. I'm now 78. So my husband has been helping me to lose weight and look fit, look good. I don't need to look fat every time here. So this has also helped me to lose some weight. So we're gonna go sit on the dining table. You can come with us. Okay, yeah, so this is what we used to do every morning. We just sit on our dining table and then talk about life, while we're drinking our shake and the kids are sleeping. So we just refresh after exercising, we refresh our body with shake, and have more strength.
Oh, wonderful. During COVID-19, we have a very lockdown here, and where I used to go for my gym, the gym was closed. So it was pretty hard. I like to wake up in the morning and exercise as my morning routine. So what I did this time of lockdown, I wake up early in the morning because of winter. I start running 1K, 2K, and here I begin to run 12, 20K per day. So that's really helped me a lot to lose weight, And sometimes walking, walking is so very good, just to walk. You don't need just to run, just walking. You can walk for 2Ks, 1K, 3Ks, as we always do. Sometimes Saturdays we just go for walking.
Okay.
We just walking, even if you've got our children, put them in the pram and push, and just walking, which help us really to lose weight a lot and to keep being healthy. So after doing that, we need to be aware of what we eat, the food. Losing weight or being healthy, it's 20% of exercising and 8% of
what
eating.
You eat.
Right. What you eat. What did you eat?
What you take in.
What you take in. If you eat junk food, chips and chicken fries and KFCs, you eat wrong. Pizza, you're going to destroy your body. Your body is the temple of the Holy Spirit, and that Holy Spirit cannot work in the body which is sick. You need to be very good enough and strong enough to be able to carry that task which God has given you. So therefore, we really need to take care of our body. Yeah.
Yes, and I was a very bad eater, I'm telling you. My husband has been controlling his diet for a long time, but for me, no. I just said it now that I'm trying. I do exercise in the house in the morning. I just, follow people on YouTube, other ladies that are doing. I also exercise, and I also try to control what I eat. So these days I'm trying to eat what my husband eats. That's what I eat as well, which has also helped me also. The same food that we eat is also the same food our kids eat. We don't have to give our kids fat food. Yes, they do eat sometimes junk, just once in a while, but we also eat healthy together with them. As a family, we just want to be healthy.
Yeah, and this is the food which we've been eating for long. So I like eating the rento. This is pasta. Rento one. The rento are made with veg. It's more veg. They are not gonna make you fat, because most of the pastas which are not made with rento make you to be fat. As you eat, they go into your body, your system, and they tend to become sugar, and the sugar into fat. So rento are very good, make you to lose weight and make you to be full quickly. Just eat a little bit and you're full. There's this type of the rentos and the rice. I like black rice. They're very good, You just eat a little bit and you're full.
It's very nice.
Yeah, and brown rice is pretty good, but I've been there for years, and then I've seen the benefit of eating more brown rice and black rice, which really help a lot too.
So, and for the oil, since I started to lose weight or maybe to be healthy, so I used to use the sunflower oil before, but I discovered the sunflower oil stays long in the body, and it becomes a lot of fat in the body. What we take in is also contribute to our skin, our body shape. So I replace this with olive oil, extra virgin oil. So this is what I used to cook with. So I cook with olive oil in my food, any types of food, even eggs. And this is, it's pure olive oil, and it's easy to flush out in the body. It's, it doesn't stay for long in the body, if I may say like that. So we also eat meat. We also eat meat, but not with fat. We eat lean meat. We love kangaroo meat. We can eat hamburgers, kangaroo. Where there's no fat, make sure you are very careful.
And it has no protein.
Yeah. Make sure that you're very careful with what you eat, especially meat, So we love meat, but we have to know what type of meat we eat. So we eat lean meat, but we eat chicken breast, without the skin on, without the bones. So we just love the chicken breast. It's, the steak there, we normally roast it, but we don't fry it a lot. We just roast it, put it in the oven or in the grill. So we also love to eat tuna sometimes, during breakfast we can eat tuna, but it's in spring water, not in oil, So we just need to be careful, as I said, what we take in. So if there's oil, you take in oil again, you just destroy your body, and you won't have a good shape. So everything we eat, there's water in it, spring water. So these are also lentils. We also eat these ones. We mix this with beans. You can mix this with meat. Lean meat, any type of food, with rice. Black rice. We love to mix that in as well. We also eat vegetables. Any type of vegetable. We love vegetables. We cannot eat any food without vegetables. My husband won't eat meat if there's no vegetables. There must be vegetables every day. We've got a garden. We've got a garden at the backyard, so we've got vegetables. We love fresh stuff.
All right. We believe that when you take your health into priority in your life, and you see things change, some of the disease which we have in our lives, so high blood pressure, diabetes, and many the skin problem, it's also cause of what we take in, what you eat, by being regular exercising and eating health, you see that change. If the blood pressure will go down and the sugar disease will be going to down, and you see a lot of benefits by changing your lifestyle. So I believe that these videos help you a lot, and there are so many videos like this. If you like this video, please leave the comment down below, please. Like, share, and as well hit that notification bell for next upcoming video. See you until next time.
Bye bye.